I do need to build, and like I said, it's in steps. I've been on this journey for like 4 years, bro, like 4 years, and I've learned every lesson that I went through. I'm so grateful I was able to. It's so weird. I don't know how to look at it, like how to explain it. Like I know how to see people. First of all, when I meet people, I see people for who they is. I see people who it is. I can't help it. I see you for who you is. I see your heart when I meet people. So when I'm in situations, I kind of like look at them different. I don't know. I can't explain it, but I love it, right? So it's like when I go through certain things, I taught myself. I didn't teach myself, of course, with other tools like Sadhguru. He's a really good educator. Neville Goddard. Oh my, okay, y'all like, oh, hold on, this was gonna kill me, like mess up their name. What is the other guy? I had a couple people YouTube videos, 48 Laws of Power, Stoicism. I've learned, listen, when I tell you, this brain right here, I think all the knowledge went to my hair. Like I feel like that's why my hair is getting bigger. But anyways, I'm going to crazy. I'm gonna end this live and I'm gonna go give me some lunch. I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna make these new tools. And I might do another pop-up webinar talking about them. How to adjust, detachment, adjust. Oh my gosh, detachment, adjustment. What is the other one? Oh, I may have a system. I think I just came up with a system. I mean, like a system, and then I'm gonna break down the system to y'all of how I'm able to look this youthful, right, with the tools that I use. No, no. Oh, that's my son, T-Raw. And
I'm anonymous.
Anonymous. Anonymous.
Yeah.
Bro, where are you going?
I'm putting this out.
Oh, okay. I appreciate you, Laura. My girl, big stepper. You feel me? She definitely bought one of the toolkits. I appreciate she brought the Untamed Aura experience. I appreciate you so much for everything. You feel me? I can't wait to see how you stand on business. I already know you got big things in the play. I'm excited for you. I'm proud of you, and keep going. Like, you motivating me, girl. You motivate